Write each of the following as single logarithms. So we've got a half log of 2 minus a quarter of log 9, and b a half brackets 2 log a minus 3 log b plus 3 log c. Okay, let's do the first one. So we've got a half log 2 minus a quarter log of 9. If we use the idea that r log a of x is equal to log a of x to the r, some formulas this is just written as n. So applying that to this now becomes log 2 to the power of half, keep that minus sign in, minus log 9 to the power of 1/4. Right, now applying the idea that log a of x minus log a of y is equal to log a of x over y, which is the situation we got here. So that becomes log of 2 to the half divided by 9 to the quarter. Carry on. Now 9 can be written as 3 squared, so we'll write that as 3 squared, now still to the power of a quarter. If we apply the rule of indices, 2 times a quarter is a half. So we use the idea a to the m to the n is a to the mn, so 3 to the power of 2 times a quarter, which 2 times a quarter is a half. This will become 3 to the power of a half. Now, because they're now both a half, same power, this can now be written using a to the half is root of a, square root, log of the square root of 2 over 3. So this is now what's known as a single logarithm. Looking at b, we've got a half brackets 2 log a minus 3 log b plus 3 log c. And by the way, if there's no number in there, this is base 10. Now we've got a minus and a plus, so we're just going to swap these two over to begin with. So we've got a half log 2 log a plus 3 log c minus 3 log b. We'll deal with the half at the end. So dealing with this bit here, dealing with the numbers in front, first. We've got r log a of x is equal to log a of x to the r. This will become a half log a cubed, log a cubed squared plus log c cubed minus log b cubed. So that's applying that to each of these individually. Now looking at these two here, and applying log a of x plus log a of y is equal to log xy. So we've got half of log a squared c squared, log a squared c squared, applying that to here. And then we've got a minus situation, so we've got log a of x minus log a of y is log a of x over y. So this will be my x, and this will be my x, and this will be my y. So we need to divide this by b cubed. Now applying this rule here, this half can now go up here. So we get log a of a squared c cubed over b cubed to the power of a half. And to the power of a half means take the square root. So the final answer will be log of the square root of a squared c squared over b squared. So this has been a video to show you how to write expressions as single logarithms. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.